What's up, Pokemon collectors? Pokemon Central here, where yet another pack opening. Pick these up at the mall. There are 3 Roaring Skies and 1 Breakthrough pack. Here are the different artworks. Mewtwo looking all bad, and these other 3 over here. Nice artwork. I love the green on these packs. And here are the back, just so you guys can take a look. They did come with an extra barcode because I did get them at the mall. So yeah, hope you guys like this video and hope we pull something nice. So here we go with the opening. First, we're starting with the Breakthrough pack. Okay, card trick. And we got a Frogadier, a Judge, a Gramble, Goldeen, Cyndaquil, Hippopotas, Cubone, Elgyem, a Reverse Pansage, and a Holo Rare Meloetta. Not bad, not bad. Sleeve that up. Nice. Alright, next pack, next 3 are gonna be Roaring Skies, so hopefully we can pull something nice out of these. And we got a Ninjask, a Skyfield, a Fearow, a Dunsparce, a Vortold, Pikachu, Wurmple, Bagon, a Reverse She-Rare, I don't believe so, Winona, and a Holographic Deoxys. Not bad. I need a bunch of rares from these sets and holos, so trying to pull some ultra rares, but what can you do? Okay, on to the 3rd pack. Hope you guys are enjoying this video and all the other videos I've been posting recently, and a lot more to come. Me and my brother are back into Pokemon collecting, and we will be doing this a lot more often. So here we go. We got a Mega Turbo, a Winona, a Unpheasant, a Binacle, Giggler, Meowth, Spearow, Natu, a Reverse Rare Deoxys, and a Mega Latios EX. Oh my god, look at that. So we ended up getting 2 rares in here, one being an ultra mega rare, and we need 2 sleeves for those because they both are rare. And here we go. Wow, look at that. That is a beauty. So far we are 3 for 3 in these packs because they all have holos. And here we go on our final Roaring Skies pack. So we got a Skyfield, Ninjask, Dustox, Electric, Tailo, Execute, Hawlucha, Pika, a reverse Pidove, and a non-holo rare Bennett. Ancient Trait. I love the artwork. So okay, so let's do a small little recap here. So we got those right now, just ripped the last pack. We did also get a reverse Pansage, a holo Meloetta, a holo Deoxy, another holo reverse Deoxy, and our ultra rare, none other than Mega Latios EX. He is number 102 out of 108, and he is Roaring Skies, looking nice. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed these awesome pulls as much as we did. Hope you guys hit that subscribe button, that like button. Also got a lot more videos you guys can go check out. And Pokemon Central out.